Namaskar. Dhempo Healthcare, in memory of late Vishwasrao Dhempo, a great icon of Goan industry, हांचो अलर्ट ॲक्टिव्ह अलायव्ह ॲट 100 ह्या कार्यक्रमान हांव तुमचं स्वागत करता. आमच्या बरोबर आसात नामनेचे फिजिशियन कार्डिओलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर दिगंबर नायक. दोतोर, हांव तुमचे बी वेलकम करता ह्या कार्यक्रमात.
नमस्कार. नमस्कार.
तर आमच्या फाटल्या एपिसोडान आमी हांगा सोपयल्लें की शेवटी आमकांच आमचें शरीर जाणून घेवंक जाय आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी वागूंक जाय, आनी तशेंच आमकां कितलें आयुश्य जगूंक जाय आनी कशे रितीन जगूंक जाय हें आमकांच ठरोवंक जाय. तर हांगा एंट्री मारता तुमची बायोलॉजी ऑफ बिलीफ. तर सायंटिफिकली तुमी ही बायोलॉजी ऑफ बिलीफ आमकां कशी एक्सप्लेन करतले?
100 वर्सां जावन हांवें खूब जाणांचे इंटरव्यू घेतल्या, ट्रायंग टू स्टडी वॉट मेड देम लिव दॅट इयर. आनी एक कॉमन शब्द तेंच्या तोंडांतसून येता, आय एम हेल्दी बिकॉज आय बिलीव्ड आय एम हेल्दी. व्हेरी सिंपल, पळोवंक आमकां सामको सिंपल दिसता. बिलीव्ड ही इज हेल्दी. बिलीव्ड म्हणजे कितें? दिस इज एक्झॅक्टली वॉट I want to tell you, or this is exactly what I want to analyze with you. See, आमचे शरीर येता जेन्ना आमी जाता न्ही तेन्ना एक जिनेटिक स्ट्रक्चर आसता. वी आर एज पर अवर जीन्स, सो बट कंप्लीट लायफ आमचे फक्त जिनान जायना. ओके, जीन इज लायक अ ब्लू प्रिंट. आमी बिल्डिंग करता न्ही, तेजो एक ब्लू प्रिंट काडटा. तो ब्लू प्रिंट जर आमी 3 डिफरंट बिल्डरां कडेन दीत, देन तिगूय जाण 3 डिफरंट तरेच्यो बिल्डिंगो तयार करतले.
बरोबर.
सो बेसिक ब्लू प्रिंट इज सेम. आमचे जीन्स म्हणटा ते दॅट इज अ बेसिक ब्लू प्रिंट. ओके, आनी हो ब्लू प्रिंट जशी जशी आमची वाड जाता, फ्रॉम 1 सिंगल सेल टू 2 सेल टू मल्टिप्लायड सेल्स. ओके, जशी जशी वाड जाता, फ्रॉम द जीन्स पयली सेल्युलर स्ट्रक्चर जातले, ऑर्गन्स जातले, एंड देन द होल ह्युमन बीइंग इज फॉर्म्ड. Okay, and this human being goes as per the direction given by those genes. Okay, this is the first thing. But they are not the ultimate. If genes was the thing, each one of us would have been the same.
Similar.
We don't have 2 people same. We don't have 2 brothers. Dogs and भाव सारखे नसता. Dogs and बहिणी सारख्यो नसता. So obviously it is not the gene. Ne? So जसो टाइम वता, right from the uterus, आवयच्या पोटान पासून जसो भुरगो डिलिव्हर जाता, वाड जाता, तेजेर आमचे कंप्लीट एनवायरमेंट तेजेर कंटिन्युअसली ह्या जिन्साचेर काम करत आसता. Today we have a complete science called as epigenetics. Now if you look at this science of epigenetics, this science teaches you how all these influences come on the gene. Epigenetics म्हणजेच above the gene. That is control above the gene. You are not just your gene. Gina बरोबर तुका all this environment has affected on you. आणि ह्या एनवायरमेंटाची इन्फ्लुएन्स जान you are what you are today. And same thing is on our health. Okay, so genes कितें करता? Genes is a blueprint. Environment is like a contractor. Environment is like a builder.
So तुमकां अशें म्हणपाचें आसा की जरी जीन इज अवर बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर,
Yes.
बट दॅट नॉट नेसेसरी की ते बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर कंटिन्युअसली तशेंच उरतलें.
No,
वी कॅन मॉडिफाय आवर ओन जीन्स.
Absolutely. I think you are getting the thing correctly.
Okay.
It is this environmental factors, maybe your stress, maybe the way you are brought up, your company. If you are in the company of BJP, you behave like a BJP. If you are in the company of JDU, you will behave like JDU.
Okay.
Okay? So it is the company, all that matters, and all that influence our gene. Itlet न्ही gene आसा तितून तो influence करता. Behavior of that gene is influenced by our environment, by our stress, by the way आमची आवय बापायन आमकां हाडल्या, by the way we have grown up. जशे भुरगे आसतना आमकां कशे वयर हाडला, आवय बापूय कशे वयर येयल्या, हे सगळं environment is completely working on us.
Okay.
And it modifies that gene to some extent without changing the blueprint.
Structure,
basic structure remains same.
Okay.
Itless ni, when this gene passes on to the next generation, the next generation gets that modified gene as it is, which can further get modified by that. म्हणून पळयता एक सुसंस्कृत फॅमिली आसत ना, सगळी सुसंस्कृत फॅमिली तशी जाता. ओके, रावडी फॅमिली आसत ना जाल्यार फुडले जनरेशनूय तशेंच जाता. सो इवन दॅट मॉडिफिकेशन जे जिनाचेर जाता, दॅट इज टेकन अप अँड ट्रान्सपोर्टेड टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन.
So, Dr. You are nearly saying that we are next to God.
No, you are not next to God. What is God? For me, the God is total universe. Universe is changing it.
Okay.
When I say the environment is our total universe. Your day, night, your stars, so this chair, basla, hi khurchi, the people I'm working with, your temples, your stars, everything is a universe, and that is for me is God. And which is constantly altering or changing or developing us. Okay, and over the period of time, here development आमचेकडे वचत रावता, and you become a different person. माझे जीन्स and माझे 5 century 5 generationचे फाटले जीन्स will be almost the same. But 5 generation फाटली आणि आताचे generation आणि फुडली generation are going to have a hell lot of difference. कसं जातलो difference? It is the environment which constantly changes genes. And this is the science which we have, this is a new science which we are which is called as a epigenetic. It's a huge science by itself.
Okay. And all these modifications could be
transmitted to the next generation. So if we are,
but the method of transmission remains the same.
It remains the same. The gene will break into two and go into into the next generation. Okay. Gene just splits. त्या स्प्लिट करताना त्या जिनाचेर, नाव यू हॅव अ जीन हियर, त्या जिनाचेर द एडिशनल कितें तो कॅरेक्टर पळय बसयला, दॅट कॅरेक्टर इज पास्ड ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, अँड सायन्स हॅज क्लिअरली प्रूव्ड दिस. सो दिस इज हाव ईच सेल वर्क्स. वी गॉट ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 50 trillion cells in our body. And all these cells, each cell is like an individual, okay? Each cell has got its intelligence, has got its complete metabolism. And to the intelligence each cell vaparta, this is how we are made up of. So the whole environment is with us.
And we can actually be said that we could be the co-creators of our genes.
Absolutely, this is perfectly right.
Yes.
We can change our gene. We not only we are always changing, but if we work on it positively, we'll change our genes positively. A better gene for the next generation, better gene for us. I can change my gene to an extent, because I've got a huge lot of life is gone, but still in the rest of the life, if I create a very positive environment on my genes, my genes will still change for me, for my माझ्या बऱ्याक plus माझ्या फुडल्या generationच्या बऱ्याक. So this is how the genes change. Okay.
थोडक्यान म्हणजे अशें म्हणू येता की जे देवान आमकां जीन्स दिल्यात, तर आमच्या स्वताच्या बिलिफान, आमच्या स्वताच्या आमच्या विचारांनी आमी ह्या जीन्स मॉडिफाय करू शकतात.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Continuously modify जायत असता.
ओके. आणि मजा म्हणजे की हे जीन्स आमी तशे ट्रान्समिटूय करू शकतात इन आवर फ्युचर जनरेशन्स. ओके. तर
माझो जो बिहेवियर हांवें चेंज केला, तो बिहेवियर कितें इल्लो तरी माझ्या भुरग्यांनी वतलोच न्ही.
बरोबर.
And then they are also influenced on top of it. So this is what happens with a simple thing called belief. आता बिलीफ म्हणटा तो कसो तयार जाता, इज अ थॉट न्ही, विचार. विचार म्हणजे आमकां आमी अरे तूं विचार कितें करता, बट विचार इज ऑल्सो अ थिंग न्ही. जशी हांगा लायट आसा पळय, लायट तुका दिसता लायट वता ती दिश्टी पडना न्ही, बट यू नो लायट एक्झिस्ट न्ही.
येस.
You know, आमी लायटीचे प्रॉपर्टीज जाणा. लायट ट्रॅव्हल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाईन, लायट ट्रॅव्हल्स विथ अ वेवलेंथ,
Wavelength.
आणि प्रत्येक वेवलेंथ डिफर्स,
Frequency.
आणि ती वेवलेंथ चेंज जाली, देन द लायट हॅज डिफरंट कलर्स. येलोची वेवलेंथ इज डिफरंट, रेडाची वेवलेंथ इज डिफरंट. सो एक त्या प्रमाणे कलर अँड कॅरेक्टर जाता. तितूनच अशी लायट आसा जी आमी पळोवंक शकना, अशी लायट आसा ती आमी बेर करूंक शकना. आमी एक पळोवपाची लायट आसता. ओके, तसो सावंड आमी उलयतना यू कॅन हियर माय सावंड, बट कॅन यू सी इट, बट इट एक्झिस्ट न्ही.
बरोबर.
So sound, it travels in a straight line, it travels by wavelength, and it has different definite pitch. If you change the wavelength, if you change the pitch, the character of the sound changes. Change जाता न्ही सगळे.
बरोबर.
Then you have infrasound, then we have sound called audible sound, जो आम्ही ऐकूंक शकता. And then त्याच्यानंतर अल्ट्रासाउंड म्हणून आसा. So and त्याच्यानंतर वी हॅव स्टील नॉट स्टडीड, आणि तो अल्ट्रासाउंड पळयत नाल्यार आमी आयकूंक येना, बट इट हॅज गॉट ऑल द कॅरेक्टर्स न्ही. It goes, it reflects, refracts, diffracts, travels in a straight line, it has got its speed, it has got its wavelength. The same way, आमचो तकलेनसून जो thought येता, it travels in a straight line, it has its own wavelength,
Okay.
it has its own pitch, and the changing in that wavelength and changing in the pitch will depend upon what are you thinking. म्हणजे जे आमी चित्ता तेजी wavelength and pitch different जातली.
Okay.
And this is, once you have understood this, rest, you know, you can change your pitch or change your wavelength by and have a different effect on your body over a period. I think we should be able to talk more and more onto this.
So before that, म्हाका आनी एक प्रश्न विचारूंक जाय तुमकां. We have two types of minds, that is the conscious and the subconscious. तर conscious mind is alert mind. It is a creative type of a mind.
Absolutely.
Whereas subconscious mind is a storage. It stores things. So which according to you is the most powerful one?
See, conscious mind is reactive. What I am reacting, what you are reacting to, is we are doing by conscious mind. Okay, it is intelligent. It can change and take decisions fatafat. Okay,
On the spot.
if I don't like you, I say I don't like you. The moment you realize that you have to react differently, then you react differently, and I say I like you now. Okay, so this is the decision that happens in a conscious mind, which is, say, this is your conscious mind. Okay. Now, what is a subconscious mind? Is repository. आमच्या आयुष्यात जो घटना सगळ्यो घडल्या, तितल्यो घटना त्यो स्टोर करून दवरता भितर. Okay. Now see, consciously I am talking to you, but unconsciously I know there are cameramen here, there is AC here, there is room here, wo color, to color. I am not reacting with them, but my conscious mind, subconscious mind is picking it up and storing it inside. So at the end of it, I go out and I have a different belief. Whatever I am talking, जे उलयता ते is a conscious mind. But unconscious mind एक तयार केलं ना. प्रुडंटाच्या स्टुडिओन असलो तेन्ना that was a nice studio, असे झाले तसे झाले, सगळे स्टोर केल्ले असतात. This all goes into subconscious mind, and subconscious mind always overrides conscious